Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and well, this is a RANT video, and it is targeting Microsoft and the Windows team, and how there are so many idiots working there because obviously every tactic and everything that you're doing is bad. So people aren't moving to Windows 11. It's obvious. In a time where it should be moving forward, the last 2 months it actually didn't. Windows 10 moved forward. Isn't that embarrassing, Microsoft? Windows 10 is moving forward. Less than a year before you want to kill it. Bravo. This shows you how you are dumb in your tactics. First one, of course, minimum requirements. Please, please. You could implement requirements for some features. That's how you should do it. You should say TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot and 8th generation Intel or more for some specific features within Windows. It will be required. That is fine. I got no problem with you need that minimum if you want those features to work. But come on, admit it. I've got Windows 11 running on a 10-year-old plus machine. Works well. Those minimum requirements are not required for standard use for most people. How stupid were you to put these minimum requirements in place? Why do you think people are not moving on? I bet you would have more than 40, maybe even close to 50% market share if there was just no minimum requirements. After 3 years, you would be there. Nope, minimum requirements, and you're just too stubborn to, fall back and say they're not required. First, dumb decision on Windows 11. Second, Windows 11. Telling people, oh, well, that free ride, it ain't going to be there forever. Better upgrade now. Yeah, scare tactics to have people go on to Windows 11 from Windows 10. Really? You think that's going to work? If people on Windows 10 really wanted to be on 11, they'd be there already. They don't want. Office might not work well after October. Stupid idiots. Once again, is all I can say about this type of comment on moving on. And you know what? People hate Copilot. People don't want recall. And don't even want AI. You're pushing something that people don't want. Another reason why people are not moving on. Hey, no AI in Windows 10. That is great. I'm happy. Well, maybe you should have had 2 versions of Windows 11. That Copilot plus PC for those that want AI and recall and all of that, because some people will want recall for sure. I've seen so many demonstrations. It's an amazing feature for people that want to use that. But a lot of people don't want it and don't want Copilot. How about just a standard Windows 11 that continues its little, updates without any AI in it, separate from that Copilot plus PC AI version? It ain't that tough. It's pretty much what you're doing now. Just the only thing is you're shoving Copilot in our face. So wake up, Microsoft. Everything you're doing is wrong. Every decision you're making is dumb. And you wonder why people just don't want to move to Windows 11. I'll be very, very interested to see after holiday season that Windows 11 number in February when we get it. Because, Microsoft is the only reason why people aren't moving on. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.